Test.io is a crowd testing platform that connects freelance testers with real projects from companies needing feedback and bug reports on their websites and apps. It's an accessible way for absolute beginners to get hands-on QA experience and learn the ropes of software testing, since the platform offers training and resources right from the start. The flexibility stands out. Testers work remotely, set their own hours, and choose which projects fit their schedule, making it possible to pick work up as a side hustle. If you're good at spotting bugs and submitting high-quality reports, compensation can be rewarding, with some testers claiming an average hourly pay of $56.85 in the US, although actual earnings depend heavily on skill, speed, and luck with test availability. The platform's community is active and supportive, especially on Discord, and there's always help available from team leaders or dedicated support staff. Testers encounter diverse projects across various industries, which adds variety and new learning opportunities. However, Test.io isn't without its downsides. Job availability can be unpredictable. Some days there are many tests, other times it's dry, so steady income isn't guaranteed. The competition is fierce. Every bug hunter is quick to jump on new tests, which means assignments can disappear fast. The platform enforces strict bug submission rules, and getting bugs approved requires precision and attention to detail. If submissions don't meet their standards, testers may find their reports rejected without pay, which can be frustrating and demotivating. The onboarding and initial learning curve can feel demanding, as new testers must pass an unpaid qualification test and spend time learning platform rules before earning anything. Some users also mention technical issues with the site itself, which can disrupt workflows. For new or lower-tier testers, it can be even tougher to secure opportunities and start earning. There's very little room for customizing the testing process, so testers need to strictly follow client instructions, which can be limiting in complex scenarios. In summary, Test.io can be a solid entry point for those looking to build practical QA skills or earn some extra money through freelance testing. The community and learning resources are definite assets, but the platform comes with high competition, strict requirements, and periods of low opportunity. Anyone considering joining should manage their expectations, understand the time and persistence needed, and avoid relying on Test.io for full-time income. The potential rewards exist, but risks like unpaid rejections and inconsistent test flow are always present.